In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock WhatsApp on laptop with PIN. This is perfect if you share your computer or simply want an extra layer of privacy when you step away from your desk. I'll walk you through each setting and explain what it does so you can choose the right options with confidence. First, open WhatsApp on your laptop. You can use the WhatsApp desktop app or go to web.whatsapp.com in your browser. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. If not, just sign in the way you normally do so you can reach the main chat screen. Next, head into Settings, look for the gear-shaped settings icon. Depending on your version, it may be visible on the main sidebar, or you might find it inside the menu in the top corner. Click that to open the full list of options. In Settings, select Privacy. This is where WhatsApp keeps features that help you control what others can see and how your account protects itself. We'll focus on the lock option that secures the app itself on your laptop. Scroll down until you see Screen Lock or App Lock. The exact wording can vary slightly by version, but both lead to the same place, the control that locks WhatsApp on your computer. Turn the Screen Lock or App Lock toggle on. As soon as you enable it, WhatsApp will prompt you to set up your credentials for unlocking. Create and confirm a strong PIN or password. Choose something memorable to you but hard for others to guess. Avoid simple patterns, repeating digits, or anything you reuse elsewhere. A good rule is to mix length with unpredictability. If you use a password manager, saving it there is a smart idea. Confirm it carefully to make sure there are no typos, because you'll need this to unlock WhatsApp later. Finally, select an auto lock duration. This controls how quickly WhatsApp will lock itself after inactivity. Shorter times, like immediately or 1 minute, maximize security, while longer times are more convenient if you're actively chatting. Pick the balance that fits your workflow. You can always return to the setting and adjust it later. That's it. From now on, when WhatsApp locks on your laptop, you'll be asked for the PIN or password you just set. If you don't see the screen lock or app lock option, make sure you're using the latest version of WhatsApp on desktop or web, then check again. This small setup goes a long way toward keeping your conversations private, especially on shared or work devices. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the extra peace of mind.